Determine the equilibrium concentrations of the reactants and products in a 0.1 molar solution of acetic acid, where the equilibrium constant is given. So here we set up an IS table, where the initial concentration of the reactant is given, and before the reaction initiates, the concentration of the products is 0. And for every mole of acetic acid that's consumed, we have an unknown change in concentration, and using the mole ratios, we have the same unknown change in concentrations of the products. And then adding these together, and the equilibrium constant can be written in terms of the concentrations of the products on the concentration of the reactant raised to its stoichiometric coefficient. And to avoid solving a quadratic equation, we can apply the approximation that the equilibrium concentration of the products is mostly insignificant compared to the initial concentration of the reactant. And now we can solve this equation much easier. So that's equal to the concentration of the products, and then subtracting from 0.1, we obtain the equilibrium concentration of the reactant.